lalakad na, ay nakakatayo na po. Ayan. So ito po yung kanyang beginning, starting in preparation for his walking therapy naman. So dinadevelop ko muna yung kanyang lower limb and upper back. So far naman maganda yung improvement niya. Ayan.